How's it going, everyone? I'm Oliver. I'm a film and media studies major here at Whitman College, and right now we're standing in Lyman House. This is a first-year residence hall housing 89 students, and this is the main lounge. It's a great place for students to study, hang out by the fire, or have movie nights. This is one of Lyman House's divided double rooms. We call it divided double because even though you have your own space, there's a wall and a door separating you and your room. Each side has a bed with drawers underneath, a desk, and a closet, so there's plenty of storage space. So right now we're standing in the community kitchen. This is a great space to make some meals, some friends, build a community. One time I tried to impress a potential suitor in this kitchen by cooking pasta. I did not know how to cook pasta, so that didn't go well, but I did make some good friends in here. Here we got storage for food and even room to store your dishes in the cupboards. So this is the game lounge here in Lyman, and it's one of my favorite places because I would smoke my friend Zach back-to-back ping pong, pool, foosball. It's a great place to make memories. There's also a TV lounge. You can watch shows and movies with your friends. This is the cafe. It's located between Lyman House and Jewett Hall. It's a great place. You can grab breakfast, lunch, they have grab-and-go food. If you need a quick coffee before class, this is the place to go. And that's a wrap on Lyman House. At the end of the day, no matter where you live here at Whitman, you're going to find a great community. We look forward to seeing you on campus.